Hey everyone, Mark here. Just making a recording today about how you can send and receive faxes for free completely from your computer. This has come in handy for me multiple times. I know I don't have a fax machine and I don't have any phone lines, let alone an extra one, one for home and one for fax. So this is something that has come in handy for me a bunch of times, and hopefully you can use it to help you too. So to receive faxes, I went ahead and I found one program that helps you easily receive free faxes and one other program that helps you send faxes for free. This is the first one. This is Efax free. www.efax.com/efaxfree. And as you can see here, you can receive up to 10 free pages per month. You can't send any pages with this, but you can share files up to 100 megabytes as well. But obviously the main thing here we're looking at is receiving free faxes. All you do is go ahead to this page and you scroll down here where it says fill out this form to start using Efax free, fill it out, and click start faxing. It'll set you up with an account, and then you go ahead and once it has created your account, you log in. The free software you need to download in order to actually open and view the faxes. It's pretty small and I didn't have any issues with it. So once you sign up, get that free software. It's on the page. Once you sign into your account, you'll see where to download it. It's easy to find. So the only trick is that, as you can see down here under Efax free, they don't allow you to save it as a PDF. That's only in the paid plus version. But to get around that, I searched the internet for free PDF printers, and I found, Wikipedia. On here, you can see that there's a list of PDF software, and I just went ahead through here. Go to your appropriate platform, whether it be Unix, Linux, Mac, Windows. For me, it was Windows at the time. And just go ahead down there and look for converters. And there's a bunch of free software. I use this to help me find, some of them you'll see includes adware. I didn't want anything that was gonna install a bunch of, bloatware on my machine. So I went ahead and found something that was small and just the bare minimum that I needed, which was the ability to print things as a PDF. And all that means is that, normally when you go to print stuff, it will ask you to pick a printer. But instead, and I don't have it installed on here, it's on my other computer, but instead you can pick to save it as a PDF or print as a PDF. And for example, there's this PDF Lite software that allows you to do it. And it says right here, simply open up the file on your viewer software and print using PDF Lite as the virtual printer to print to a PDF. So all it does is basically saves the file as a PDF anywhere on your desktop you pick. And so that is how I got around this PDF issue. So all you do is open up the fax. I think the format that they send you the fax in is a .efax or something. But you go ahead and get their free software, you open up the fax, and then you click print. And once you've installed some free PDF printer software, just click that and it'll print it out as a PDF somewhere on your computer, and then you have the PDF. So from there, once I printed that out and signed it or whatever you need to do with the fax, I needed to send it back in my case. I went ahead and I found this software on this website, faxzero.com. Faxzero.com lets you send faxes for free. And as you can see down here, for free, you can send a max of 3 pages per fax and a max of 5 faxes per day. So that's up to 15 pages per day, but you'd have to send it as 5 separate faxes, 3 pages each, and those all include cover pages. It wasn't an issue for me, but they do print an ad on the cover page, so that's just kind of a heads up. So anyway, all you do is you go here, and in sender information, that's your information. You simply enter your name. Optionally, you can enter what company you work for or what company you're representing. And then you go down to email and enter your email address. For receiver information, you go ahead and enter the name of the person you're sending the fax to. Optionally, you can enter what company they work for or are representing. And then you enter their fax number. After you have entered your information and the receiver's information, you go ahead down here. These are the up to 3 pages that you can fax for free. You just click choose now, and then you go ahead and pick whatever you're sending. And it can be a doc or a docx file, which are both Microsoft Word documents, or a PDF file, which is handy if you've taken the steps that I did before and got a free PDF printer, and or you just have a PDF that you want to send. And then you go ahead down here, you can type in what text you want to appear on the cover page, if any. And then to finish up, you just enter this code down here to make sure you're not a robot or something, and then you click send free fax now. And it's nice, they'll actually send you an email saying that your fax is being attempted to be sent, and then they will email you again once your fax has successfully or unsuccessfully sent. So that's always nice. They give you a confirmation of whether or not the receiver actually ended up receiving your fax. So you kind of get that reassurance. And just the other day, I sent a fax using this, and they sent me a success confirmation email. And just to be sure, I called them today and asked if they got the fax, and they said they did. So this does work, and it's free, and Efax free is also free to receive faxes. So hopefully you guys can use this to send and receive faxes for free, straight from your computer. No need to mess around with fax machines or phone line or any of that stuff. So it's really nice and convenient. It's free. You can do it all from home, from your computer or laptop, whatever. And let me know if you've got any questions or comments in the comment section below, and I hope you find this useful. Thanks.